Now, when you're talking about the food, now you said you have maintaining absolute clear and the proper status of your scalp, which does not require, which does not have any sort of congestion of tissues or the dandruffs and all. So now we are going to see what things should be administered into our diet, which we can eat, which will enhance or stimulate the production of the hair, or by an external application we can enhance the production of the hair. So the most important things which are required for the production of the new hair is the right amount of the protein, zinc and essential fatty acids. Now what way they are responsible? We got to understand that. Now, when you're talking about the proteins, the best protein, which is very, very easy and the most absorbable and most assimilate into your human body very easily, and it comes from the vegetative kingdom, is what we commonly know as, methi. Okay? So what are you going to do it? Initially, before you start with anything which require the administration of your, administration of the food to take care in terms of your hair, make sure that your protein requirements are well met in. You should not be having a deficiency of protein in your body. So how much would be the methi or how much would be the protein that would be enough for an adult? Right? So that depends now what age and what gender you belong to. Now, anywhere in the age group of 30, say from 20 to 35, whether you are a male or female, this is the time where hormonal levels are more or less quite stable. So here you don't need a very good amount of requirement of your protein, but here if you take just 1 teaspoon, soak it overnight, and when you're getting up in the morning, take it along with black pepper, that would be say about 5 black pepper, kali mirchi jo kehte hain, okay, black pepper, that would be about 5, and a tablespoon of honey. Right? So in case of a person, this would be same for a male or a female in this age group. Whether you are a male or a female in the age group of 20 to 35, taking a teaspoon of methi, soaking it overnight, and morning taking it along with 5 black pepper and 1 tablespoon of honey would be sufficient enough. But maintain one more thing, whenever you start doing any treatment for your hair, you have to make sure that your digestive and your eliminatory systems both are perfect. So in case you have a disturbance in your digestive or your respiratory processes, then taking care of only this thing won't be adequate. And if you have been experiencing hair loss on a very severe ground, you would have noted it all the time whenever you'll have constipation, whenever you have your acidity level rose in your body. At the same time, your hair loss or the number of strands which were coming out, which were like, showing off in your comb was also increasing. So in case you have a problem which is related with your digestive and your eliminatory system, then along with that, you are going to do one more thing which will take care of your digestive and the eliminatory process, that is okay? That is, you're going to take figs, again soak them overnight, and after soaking them overnight, you'll take it in the morning. First thing is you will take your figs, along with that you'll take 6 drops of caraway oil, okay? And take a gap of say about half an hour or something. Suppose you are taking this as around 7 o'clock, then by 10 o'clock you can take methi. Don't take them together. If you're taking this, you have to have a gap of about 2 hours in between two. Okay? If you're taking methi, suppose for figs you have taken at 8 o'clock in the morning, then probably by 10 o'clock you can take methi. Don't take them, methi bhi le liya, ye bhi le liya saath mein. It's not going to be beneficial if you do it that way. Sorry? Caraway oil is Kalonji oil. You get it in any Ayurvedic shop. Kalonji oil. Kalonji oil. You'll get it in?
Black jeera.
They call it black jeera also.
ये दोनों खाली मिक्स करने का, figs and caraway.
फिग्स और कैरेव ऑयल आप पहले लोगे सुबह में और उसके 2 घंटे के बाद फिर आप मेथी लेंगे.
What is to be done with this figs? 3 figs plus this.
हाँ, तो 3 फिग्स जैसे आप खा रहे हैं उसके साथ साथ आप 6 ड्रॉप्स भी पी लीजिए.
अच्छा,
साथ में ले लीजिए, साथ में लेना. एंड देन टेक अ गैप ऑफ अबाउट 2 आवर्स और 2 घंटे के बाद देन यू आर गोइंग टू टेक मेथी, काली मिर्ची एंड हनी.
You're soaking the methi to bring the water of the methi also.
Yes, yes. Anytime whenever you are taking your dry fruits, especially figs or something, figs and even your almonds, where whatever water you have soaked in, you're not supposed to throw off that water, you're supposed to drink that water also. Because most of your dry fruits have got this quality, they have got loss of digestive enzyme, but they are there in the latent form. When you soak them overnight, they get converted from a latent form to an active form. So this would be like already taking a tonic, which is most powerful than taking any tonic, like any tonic which is there on in your medical grounds. Yeah. Now, this is I said for people who are in the age group of 20 to 35. Now what about you are on the other side of, like you are above 35, then what are you going to do that? Right? Sorry? Now if you are above 35, if you are above 35, you need to understand not only you got to take care of your proteins, your zinc level and your essential fatty acids, there is also a degradation of vitamin B6, then along with vitamin B6 you also have the deficiency of folic acid, and sometimes even the minerals like copper and other thing. So now this too, after your age, as you cross 35 and you come into the age group of 40 and above, there is a very, you can say there is a marked decrease in your vitamin B6 and folic acid. So that's why you find after 40s, people are really going on, your hairs start getting thinner and thinner, and maybe you start getting those patches of baldness in certain part of your head. And especially in the males, you will find the temple, this area starts getting a very receding line, because even your hormones, your testosterone also start decreasing at that age. So now in case this is the situation, okay, so you got to take care of some more points. That would be the first thing that you need to do is, if you belong to the veg kingdom, like if you don't take non-veg at all, the best thing which would give you the result would be a wheatgrass therapy or a wheatgrass juice. Now wheatgrass, you're going to take say about 30 to 50 ml. Start always with 30 ml, then after the second week you can increase to 50 ml. In that, take about 150 ml of hot water plus 1 tablespoon of honey. Right? So that would be the first thing that you would be taking it to tackle the problems which are arising because of the lesser level of your vitamin B6 and folic acid. Along with that, twice in a day, you're going to take black sesame, काले तिल जो होते हैं, you're going to take that, roast it slightly, and take it twice in a day. This can be taken any time, like twice in a day means you can take it any time, whatever is feasible with you. So this will make sure that your essential fatty acids are really you're getting the enough dosage or the enough quantity of your essential fatty acids. Now for your zinc level, the best thing for your zinc level, to increase the zinc level in your body, would be your zinc. Okay? You can take Pures. If you are okay, you can start with avocado also. Avocado, if you don't like the taste, instead of drinking or instead of eating, you can just mash it slightly, take a half an avocado, mash it slightly and just put the pulp on your scalp. That you can do it. And along with that, yeah, that would be quite sufficient to tackle it. Sorry? Black sesame? You can take about, say, 1 teaspoon.
Then just roast it and take it out.
Yeah. You can do it roasted and just put it in a jar, fix it up, take one thing and just take it along with a hot water. Hot water. Right? Now, along with this, one of the very important things which really gives you very, very good results is